After decades of bloodshed in Kashmir, even the Kashmir tea is now pink. Having said that, it is very tasty, and even those who are lactose intolerant can enjoy this cup of pink tea. Watch the video till the end because this version of pink tea helps lose weight also. To make this delicious spicy pink tea, you first need to prepare the pink tea extract. Pink tea extract is made with 3 cups of room temperature water. Pour these 3 cups to a very large saucepan because during the process of frothing, this mixture tends to splash around. To these 3 cups of room temperature water, add 3 tablespoons of pink tea, which you can get in any grocery store easily. Additionally, add these fragrant spices: 20 green cardamom pods, 5 cloves, 5 anise seed pods, and 1 inch cinnamon sticks. No need to grind them, just take them whole and add them to your room temperature water. All of these spices have an antioxidant profile, they have an anti-inflammatory profile, they are very nutritionally rich spices. Now turn on the stove and note the level of water because we have to reduce this water by half. Now after 15 minutes of boiling, you can see our spice extract has been reduced to half. Now we need cold water. In fact, we need freezing cold water. I have this water from freezer. To the 2 cups of the extract, we will add 2 cups of this icy cold water. Now just keep this aside. Now first of all, we'll add half a teaspoon of baking soda, that is sodium bicarbonate, half a teaspoon of salt, and once you see the frothing, just add cold water in it. Once you add the cold water, you will see the froth being settled. Now with the help of a ladle, just whisk the extract. What happens is when you add sodium bicarbonate, that's baking soda, it interacts with the chlorophyll in the leaves, in the tea leaves, and once they interact, they form phenols which are pink in color. Now as we add the cold water, this color gets fixed, and as long as you keep ladling it, the more color will be formed. So you have to froth your tea mixture like this with the ladle. You know, it is a long and tedious process, but once you see the color forming, add the cold water bit by bit till the whole of the 2 cups of cold water have been added. You will see the color being formed. It will take about 20 minutes, but it is worth every second because the tea that will be formed will be really pretty and tasty and nutritionally rich. Now you can turn off your stove. You can add the milk right now, or you can store your tea extract mixture in a jug or a jar. It keeps well in the fridge for about a month, and in this way you won't have to spend 20-30 minutes preparing for a cup of delicious pink tea. Now whenever you want to enjoy a cup of your pink tea, just boil half a cup of milk. You can use dairy milk, or if you are following keto diet, you can use almond milk, coconut milk, or as I'm using poppy seed milk. Poppy seed milk has a lot of health benefits, not only for weight loss, but it is also good for skin, hair, nails, and for sleeplessness. Now add half a cup of your pink tea extract and you will see pink color developing in your delicious pink tea. Traditionally in Punjab, the pink tea is served sweet by adding either the honey or jaggery in it. If you are following keto diet, you can add stevia, but traditionally Kashmiri chai or pink tea is a salty tea. It is also called the noon tea. Do make this tea. It is good for health, it is good for weight loss, and it is very tasty. This is Dr. Asma Mahmood signing off. Subscribe to our channel and do leave a comment in the comment box. Till we meet next time, take care. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.